Now we will display the first plasma cutting machine here, a portable cutting machine. It can cut size 1.5 by 3 meters. That is 5 by 10 feet. It supports both oxyfuel and the plasma cutting. If oxyfuel cutting, you will need to prepare oxygen and propane or acetylene. The oxyfuel cutting machine.
A question here. Do you have other machine?
Other machine. The portable cutting machine. We have portable cutting machine, the table plasma cutting machine, gantry plasma cutting machine, and the laser cutting machine. Okay. If oxyfuel cutting, it can cut mild steel from 6 millimeters to 150 millimeters. If plasma cutting, we will equip a plasma power source. The max is 125 ampere to cut 2 millimeters to 25 millimeters. Okay, if you order this machine, you will get 2 packages like this. 1 package and 2 packages. This package will contain the central unit, the machine main body, the CNC controller, the portrait controller, and motors and drivers inside.
A question here. How to transport this machine?
How to transport this machine? This machine will be separated into 2 packages. These kind of 2 packages. It can be transported by sea or by air.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. Okay, after you order this machine, you will get 2 packages. 1 package contains the central unit. Another package will contain the guide rails, the cross beam, the electric torch lifter, the program software, packing list. We can check the packing list here. We have packing list here. And Terry, where is the operator manual? The operator manual. And the operator manual. And the program software. The oxyfuel torch. And the accessories, the cables. After you receive the 2 packages, you can install the machine by our install and operation manual. We also send you the install video. You can install it yourself according to the videos or the manuals. After you install the portable cutting machine, you will get a complete machine like this. Okay, if you are interested in the portable cutting machine or other plasma cutting machines or laser cutting machines or these machines related spare parts consumables, please like us here, follow us here. If you follow us, you will receive update news from us from time to time. And you can also ask for Get Catalog. Click Get Catalog. You will receive our catalog here.
A question here. The customer wants to know the delivery time.
The delivery time for this standard type, we can deliver in 1 week. We also send several sets available in our warehouse, so we can deliver it in 1 week.
Okay.
Okay, we have not finished. If you follow us, you will receive update news from us from time to time. And if you interact with us in the live showroom, you will receive secret gifts. Let us show you what is a secret gift.
So many gifts.
It's secret. I will not tell you what inside.
Okay.
Okay. If you want oxyfuel cutting, you will need to prepare the gas supply, the oxygen and the propane or acetylene. If oxyfuel cutting, you need to prepare the air compressor and the plasma power source. You can get air compressor and the plasma power source from your local market. Also, you can get from us. We have several good brands of plasma power source such as Hyperson, Victor, Huayuan, Misco, etc. We can see this machine has a work table. This work table is made by ourselves. Also, you can make it yourself. We have the drawing for you. We can send you the drawing, the free drawing. You can make it yourself. It's easy. Okay, our dear audience, our dear customers, if you interested in this machine, or if interested in other plasma cutting machine or laser cutting machine or related spare parts, air compressor, plasma power source, please contact us. Please like us here, follow us here, and get catalog. If you follow us, you will receive update news from time to time. Also, if you interact with us in the live showroom today, you will get secret gifts today. Just show just now the secret gift, and you can get coupons from our store and get $300 discount. Okay, after you store all the spare parts in the 2 packages, you will get a complete portable cutting machine like this. At first, let us see this machine's brain, the CNC controller. We use China famous brand, Fanlin brand. This brand CNC controller always used on the gantry plasma or cable plasma. So this controller function is very complete. After the CNC controller, let us see another very important part, THC. THC means torch head controller. We also use Fanlin brand. This THC controls the plasma torch up and down. The plasma torch up and down. To control the distance between the torch and the steel plate. You can see we use the same brand of the CNC controller and the torch head controller. Some suppliers maybe use different CNC controller. Maybe a Fanlin CNC controller, but I'm not THC. But we think same controller and the THC. same brand parts, they can match better. Do you think so? After the two very important parts of this machine, the main parts, we will check other important parts: the guide rails, the crossbeam, the torch head holder, electric torch lifter, and the torch, the aux field torch. This is the aux field torch, and we can see this. We can see the guide rails. We can see the guide rails made of aluminum alloy. Is made by one-time drawing molding. So it's very accuracy and solid. Okay, let's check the crossbeam. The crossbeam is also made of aluminum alloy and by one-time drawing molding. We see the crossbeam is very strong. It's very thick. You can check how big it is. It's a very big one. We see the machine body running on the guide rails smoothly, back and forth. It's the machine's y-axis, and the crossbeam is the machine's x-axis. So these two parts composed of this machine's x, y, and s and y-axis. And the torch head controller composed is z-axis. Because this machine supports both aux-field and plasma cutting, so it has aux-field torch, and plasma torch. They will use the same torch holder. When use the plasma cutting, we will put the aux-field torch aside. We will put the aux-field torch here. Here. We put here. Okay, when we will do plasma cutting, when we will do aux-field cutting, we will remove the plasma torch and fix the aux-field torch here. Please notice the plasma torch supplied with the plasma power source. You can order the plasma power source or air compressor from your local market, or you can order from us. We provide several good brands such as Hyperson Plasma, Victor Plasma, Variant Plasma, Musical Plasma. Okay, dear audience, or dear customers, if you are interested in this machine or other plasma cutting machine or laser cutting machine, please follow us. Please follow us, like us here, follow us here. Follow us here. If you follow us, you will receive update news from us time to time. And you also can click get catalog, and you will get updated catalog from us. Today, if you interact with us in the lecture room, you will receive secret gift. And also, you can get coupons from our store. A secret gift. Okay. You can can get coupons from our store today. We'll save $300 if purchased $5,000.
Question. What material the machine can cut and can you show me?
This machine can cut mild steel, stainless steel, aluminum, brass, galvanized sheet, etc. Other non-ferrous metal. Or the conductive metal, Okay, after the introduction, you will know what a portable machine look like. You maybe think this machine is very small. Maybe it cannot cut well. Maybe it cannot cut good. Okay, seeing is believing. Let's check it together today. Today we will test the plasma cutting. It's very simple, like this machine installation. Let me show you. Come on, let me show you. Okay, this is our brand, Honeybee CNC. Enter. Let's find a building. Let's find a building shape in the building shape library. You will see this machine has many. Okay. Let's see. This machine has many building shape. Let's choose one. Arrow key. Press arrow key. Let's find a U shape. Okay. Enter. Enter. If you think this size is okay, this size you can change. You can change the size. Okay. Enter. Okay. We will start. Sure to cut. Yes. Enter. Sure to cut. Here we go. We can see this cutting edge is very good. And let's check the cutting parts. Be careful, it's very hot. It's very hot. It's very hot. You can see the cutting edge is good, but it's very hot. Don't touch it by hand. The plasma cutting is very efficient, very fast. We have finished it already. Just now we used let's back. Just now we used a built-in shape library shape. Also, we equipped a program software for this machine. FastCom Professional Edition. If you know FastCom, you will know this machine has several editions. We supply the most advanced edition, professional edition. Professional edition has auto nest, bridge, and combine function. It will help you to save your cost, save your material and time. How to use? This is a program software. How to use it? Um, if we You can use AutoCAD or FastCom to make a shape, uh, any shape you want to cut, and uh, the AutoCAD file will be DWG DXF, and transfer this file into FastCom and enter the number you want to cut. And the FastCom will transfer the files, the AutoCAD files, into CNC files, normally in G code. Then transfer the G code file, the CNC file, transfer the CNC file into the CNC controller. The CNC controller can read the CNC file and cut according to it.